YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. We talking about some Toshi, we talking about some Bitcoin. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, show some support. It helps in the algorithm. Also, guys, I gotta let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a homie Crypto J. We just talking about some cryptocurrency today. It's Friday. Friday, right? It's the weekend. It's the freaking weekend, buddy. But as you guys can see, total market cap coming in at 2.6. Seeing some volatility today. Bitcoin coming in at 104.6. We're checking it out. I'm checking it out live with you guys. First time in a minute. We talked about this shoulder head shoulder that could be possibly playing out right here. And again, is Bitcoin starting to see some sell off? Is it starting to drop down, right? We were just at 105 not too long ago. It seems like we had a little hiccup, right? A little fake out. And that's what I was saying. I said we really need to have a solid close on the daily, but it's just not looking good, guys. It's really looking more like a trend reversal in this type of situation. And again, look, now we have this zone on the 1 day now forming as a level of resistance. So if we do not break above this, again, we can reject off this line. You could already see it's already happened twice here. And this could be, again, another indicator that we need to see another retest. This thing can be more forming a wedge or something like that. Again, possibly going into July, which is kind of what I was talking about before, talking about maybe a retest of this 100K range. You know, maybe we like consolidate like this, maybe, and then July we could start seeing something positive happen. I do think that 100K is a psychological barrier, but you guys could see, look, we had a rising wedge here. It's telling you guys that this type of recovery is not looking solid, right? Rising wedge usually not very good. Created this little bunny ears or that McDonald's M we talk about. And then again, now we got some sideways price action, right? Yikes. I don't know if this is going to be good or bad. Overall, this trend is looking pretty funky on the 1 hour and the 1 day looking like it needs to start seeing some volume. Otherwise, it's not going to be good. And the 4 hour looks like it's testing some key levels right now. Like it's got to start bouncing up off of some of these ranges if it still wants to have any kind of hope. But what do you guys think? You guys think that this thing can still see some upside, or do you think that it needs to see a little bit of correction? As you guys can see, wouldn't be the first time Bitcoin has needed to see a little bit of correction before going on to some new all-time highs. But also, if you guys look at some of our other indicators too, we've had, similar times where, look, this was a double top right here, and this marked the end of a cycle, dropped down pretty significantly. Same things could be happening here, right? We're starting to see Bitcoin starting to possibly start breaking down. And this is just something that we've been talking about on the channel now as a possibility of things that can happen. But as always, guys, the market is totally undecided. We're going to cover it no matter what. But yeah, again, shoulder, head, shoulder. This is not looking too hot right here, right? Interesting. We're going to have to see retest of some lower levels. I want to know. You guys let me know in the comment section. As you guys can see, Toshi Coin holding up pretty decent, right? Coming in at 208 million. Seems like not a lot of price action occurring today. Past 24 hours, just not looking like it's doing a lot, right? But let's see how we're holding up, right, on some of these indicators. We pull up our indicators, at least the ones that I like to use. You guys probably use different indicators, all good. But I think for demonstrational purposes that this is, for visual purposes, this is a good indicators to use. I use Kellner channels, and then sometimes also we could pull up the RSI, right? We haven't had a lot of volume, but we can certainly pull up the RSI. As you guys can see, Toshi Coin falling on some key levels on this 3 day, in my opinion. Very telling, right? Are we going to start picking up here? Are we going to start breaking down? Very curious to see what's going to happen here on Toshi, right? 2 hour also looking like maybe we might see another retest, hopefully. 8 hour just looking like a couple of rejections, right? Yikes. Talk about once we start breaking below that third Kellner channel, sometimes it becomes hard to break up above it. But again, this type of volatility is to be expected when Bitcoin is looking the way that it does, right? Bitcoin looking like it's kind of hanging off the edge of the cliff right now. So I want to know what you guys think. Are you bearish or are you bullish on Bitcoin? for the rest of this month. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, what do you think about Toshi Coin? You guys think that we're going to see a pump soon? I want to know. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.